County Recreation Parks and Tourism. As we continue our trek around Somerset County this week, we have found another open house for you. It is right here in beautiful Crisfield, Maryland, the Bay Gift Vault, having their holiday open house Friday and Saturday, 10 to 4. They're real easy to find. Right on the highway, just a block away from the Crisfield City Dock, across from Captain's Carryout. A fabulous gift store, another one of our hidden gems here in Somerset County and Crisfield. Linda Singh, owner and proprietor, is here with us. Linda, tell us all about what we can see and the deals that we can get this weekend.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Adam. So, hi everyone. I hope you'll stop out and visit us. We are having an open house, 25% off everything. Consignor items, some are excluded like always, but just to show you some of our great items that we have that are new for Christmas, a t-shirt, lounge pants. We're in stock on the Duke Cannon line with their holiday scents. We have toad fishing with fishing reels, new gifts for men, and just a whole assortment of new jewelry, new bath and body products, handmade soap, you name it, we have it. A little bit of something for everyone, including men, women, and children.
And if you are like me and you're okay at buying gifts, okay, but you're maybe not okay at putting the gifts together and getting them under the tree,
we can help.
That's right.
We are experts at helping you find the perfect gift for your loved ones. And not only that, but we wrap them in beautiful packaging, gift bags, boxes. We're all set to go. Stop in and see us. There's street parking. And remember, 25% off. Thank you.
So you will find great gifts for anyone on your list, men, women, anybody, okay? All kinds of great jewelry here, a great selection, and you will walk out and you will be ready to go, all right? The gift wrapping done right here in-house. I think they're going to have some refreshments. They're going to have it really going on. So the Bay Gift Vault, follow them on Facebook, get all the details, 25% off in-store, great selection, and unique gifts, everything from purses to clothes and accessories for the ladies. We've got stuff for the guys, and we've got some great jewelry too. And
kids. And kids.
Kids. How about that? So really something for everyone right here at the Bay Gift Vault. You can just bring in your list, all right? Linda will help you out. You can start checking off the boxes. You will walk out with your presents wrapped and put them under the tree, and you will look like $1 million, and your gift givers and your gift receivers will feel like $1 million.
Yeah, and if I'm not here, Karen is here, who does a great job as well.
Karen's going to wrap all the gifts, right?
That's right.
There we go. So Karen and Linda, definitely stop by and see them. The Bay Gift Vault, open Friday 10 to 4, Saturday 10 to 4. Follow them on Facebook. We've got the details on our website. You can get it at visitsomerset.com and right here on Facebook. Hope to see you this weekend. Do some shopping, support local, and shop local in Crisfield at the Bay Gift Vault in Somerset County.